Firstly, get square piece of paper.
Get a square piece of paper.
Square piece of paper. Fold it. Fold into the triangle.
Fold into a triangle.
A triangle.
Press fold.
Press fold. Open it and again flip triangle.
Open it and fold again.
And open and fold in.
Open up and fold again.
Okay, just like this, open it and fold again.
Plus 4.
Fold and press, and then fold and then press.
Open it and fold it again.
Open it up. Fold it half. Press fold. Open it up.
Put the corner in the middle. Hold the corner in the middle.
Then fold it all the corners onto the middle like that. Here. And make sure here is strong.
Turn it over.
Turn it over.
And fold all the corner into the middle, yeah?
Fold all the corner into the middle again. Press fold. Press fold.
And turn it over, then fold all the corner into the middle, like that.
And then fold it into half. Press fold.
Fold and half.
Now open it up into your furniture shape.
But I soon found out I didn't know what life was all about. But then I learned, I must confess, that life is like a game of chess. It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the time that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the place that you do it. And that's what gets results.
You can try hard, don't mean a thing. Take it easy, swing.
It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. And that's what gets results. It ain't what you do.